Does your child behave aggressively with discipline at your home? Do you even wonder why does your friend's child behave in disciplined way but you feel that he is underconfident? I will share this eye-opener story with you today and 3 magic strategies to inculcate discipline in child. I was strict with my child when he was young. I wanted to make sure that he eat vegetables, clean up the room, study as per routine, respect elders, and everything right to do. My friend Smita was sharing with me. She shared the complete checklist of all the discipline to be followed for her child. Then she said, but Surabhi, now he is 15 years old and does everything opposite to what I say. Clean up the room, fight. Screen time limit, 3 days room closed. Eat vegetables, he will leave the dining table. Then she asked, when he grows up, will he be able to decide again to do right things or will he be always like this opposing me? Discipline. What comes to your mind when you listen to this word? Stern voice, punishment for mistakes, lot of tension, someone else controlling me forcefully, isn't it? But you as parent feel that if you don't do it, your child will not listen. And if you do it, your child will listen to you immediately. We replicate discipline strategies that our parents used with us. We replicate their parenting itself. But children nowadays are very different. Stern voice, strict discipline creates in them the resentment. And with this resentment, they react in 3 ways. In first case, some children become aggressive and they start confronting their parents. We saw in case of Andre Agassi, how he left his career when he was at the top. In second case, children create distance from parents. They will do everything that will make their friends happy because they will engage themselves with friends and they will cut the communication connection with their parents. In some cases, they will keep themselves engaged with friends and they will do everything which makes their friends happy. They will stop sharing with parents. And in third case, children just become unresponsive. They may say yes to you, but they will not do it. On your face, they may say yes, but they will find excuses for not doing that. They even lie and hide things. You can't be sure what they are going to do next because communication channels are blocked. And we see this in many families around us. Let's do some important maths here. Discipline minus love is enforcement, and this will create resentment or aggression in your child. Love minus discipline will pamper them, spoil them, and they will never come to know what is right thing to do in life. Now add them both. Discipline plus love makes them feel your care. They may still be irritated sometimes, but they will always remain connected with you. And it is where we strike that balance. So there are 3 discipline strategies which are positive approach to discipline. With these strategies, your child will not develop that resentment. They may grumble at some times, of course, but they will be connected with you and they will follow that discipline with heart. First is, rigidity in elders creates resentment in children. So, your open communication with soft and loving tone will be your secret key. With a smile on your face, explain to them why something is important to be done in certain way, and slowly they will understand. They may still take time and we need to remind them, but remind in creative ways, not in monotonous way. We have created a separate video for you to understand how you can remind them in creative ways. You can go through with the link in the description below. Second important aspect is consistency. Consistency makes the habit automatic, and if you fail to be consistent, it will confuse them. For example, if some days dinner time is 7:30, other days it's 8:30, and on weekends the complete family will become late diner, it confuses children and they are not able to fit any structure in their mind. Decide to follow whatever suits your family, but be consistent in that. And third very important aspect is when your child goes to some cognitive training program like Brighter Minds and parents meditate in some way, it creates a kind of harmony in the house. You are able to understand the other person from their perspective. Like for my family, we meditated with heartfulness meditation and my child underwent Brighter Minds cognitive training program and we found a complete transformation in our family. You can also give it a try. Link is given in the description below. What is your opinion on this video? Please write to us in the comment section.